This is complete. This is completing the square. And how have we completed the square? By this. Ax square plus bx plus c. And then we take out a common. So x square plus b by ax plus c by a. Then what do? We take half of the coefficient of x. So this is b by ax. And then we add the square of half the coefficient and subtract it so that we don't change anything. And then these three are nothing but a x plus b by 2a whole square. So this I've got. What is this? Uh, this is minus b square, and if I take the LCM it will become 4a square, and this will become 4ac. 4a, yeah, 4a square, 4ac. Okay, so now if I multiply this, bring this back in, I will get I will get a into x plus b by 2a whole square and minus b square plus 4ac over 4a. I have brought in a. I have multiplied with this. I have multiplied with this. Acha, then what do I get? Then what is this? What is this? This is 4ac minus b square by 4a. So this is also this. So this can be written as plus 4ac minus b square by 4a. So, and this and this are the completing the square of this. Completing the square. Achha, then what is this? On the graph, what does this mean? This means that if I have got a graph, so let me say that A is positive. A is positive. Then if A is positive, it is upward facing graph. So this point is this. This is like if I do x as minus b by 2a. Sorry, this is minus b by 2a. So if I do this here, this will become 0. And this is the y value. The y value. This whole thing is the y value. That means this whole thing is the y value. So if I do minus b by 2a, this will become 0. If this becomes 0, the y value become minimum. So that's why the y value is the minimum, the lowest. Achha, will be the y value? This is the y value. So this is actually 4ac, 4ac minus b square by 4a. Achha, what is given in graphs? So I showed you this minus d by 4a. It's written minus. See, minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. So what was I doing here? So that means according to him, this value is minus d by 4a. D is actually the discriminant. It is called b square minus 4ac. That means if it's greater than 0, then it's real. So this is minus d. This is minus d by 4a. So basically the vertex, whenever you complete the square, one thing you should remember. The x coordinate is always minus b by 2a and the y coordinate is always minus d by 4a. And that actually comes from completing the square only. So this graph, so if somebody tells you ki bhai, if he gives you any completing the square question and he says what's the let me see a question, hold on. So the question says if uh this is the curve, this is a function, and y is always greater than 3. Show that y is always greater than 3. That means y will have a minimum 3 value. Okay, that means we- uh, so this is that vertex ka coordinate. So the coordinate of this are minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. So that means the y value is minus d by 4a. He's talking about minus d by 4a. This is a shortcut, है ना? This is a shortcut. So what is d? D was b square minus 4ac. So let us see find what is b square minus 4ac. It is 36 minus 4, 4 into 12, 12 into 1. So this is minus, this is minus 12 है ना? And 4 by minus 3. Minus of minus 12 is plus 3. So this is the answer. देखो, this coordinate is coming out to be 3 because minus d over 4a is minus of minus 12 over 4 into 1, which is 3. So you can directly do. And at what point is it happening? At what x it is happening? It is minus b by 2a. So actually it is minus 6 by 2 minus 3. Actually this is minus 3 also, है ना? So, तो ऐसे करके you can use the formula direct. Actually that is nothing but completing the square. अच्छा, I'll do one more. अच्छा, this. Show that the least value of y is minus 12. So a is 1, b is minus 7, and c is 1 by 4. So b square minus 4ac is 49 minus 4 into 1 into 4. So that is this is 48, है ना? So d is this. So and minus d is minus 48 and 4a is 4 into 1. So this is minus 12. So this is the least value. Again, I used minus d by 4a. Acha, again, find the smallest possible value. So let me do this also. So minus d by 4a. So that is again b square minus 4ac is uh, 16 minus, huh? 16 minus 4 into uh, uh, 1 into 7. So 16 minus 7 is minus 20, minus 12, minus 12 and by 4, minus 3. And this is the greatest, the value for which, this is minus b by 2a is asking. So that is minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2 it happens. And the greatest value will be the, I mean, wherever this is the smallest value. So the greatest will be 1 by minus 12, minus 3. You know, that's the greatest value. Y was coming out to be minus 3, na? ठीक है. So the greatest value is greatest possible value. But that is that. But anyway, you have we'll have to see. I'll have to see the graph. Graph banana padega. But